For something as important as step lighting, very often little thought is put into it. Step lighting provides more than aesthetics. It provides safety and visibility, especially where there is low interior light levels or when you're outside at night. GM Lighting's 120-volt wet location step lights provide a wide variety of options that includes finishes, louvers, mounting formats, and lensing, all in a 3000K, 145 lumens sleek fixture with faceplates that show no visible mounting hardware. You have a lot of choices when it comes to step lighting. One choice is clear. GM provides more options and better visibility while ensuring an easy installation. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this open-lensed brushed nickel step light. First, find a center point, or the location that you want to mount the step light. Strike a vertical line and find the vertical center of the riser. Using a level, strike a guideline and outline where the cut for the junction box will be. The step light faceplate makes for an excellent straight edge. Cut carefully along your outline. Insert the junction box, making sure that you have first pulled the 120-volt power leads into the box. Connect the leads to the step light fixture, and then connect the fixture to the junction box. Using the set screws supplied, tighten the faceplate firmly onto the fixture. Now see, I told you that'd be an easy installation. To see more of our 120-volt step lights, visit our website at www.gmlighting.net. Thanks for watching.